What is up, gang? Tyson from Avarice here. Today we're just doing some basic maintenance on both vehicles today, the G and the Ranger, and then doing some spring cleaning. As you may have seen from the last video, kind of hinted towards some new wheels. Old Bride recliner is out, got the inside vacuumed, and the sliders that I had on my old Zeta 2 back in, not just the planted bracket anymore. I hated that shit, so we're going back to this one with the new Thrash seat ready to go on. It's gonna be fucking sick. Yeah, this shit looks crazy in here. Let me get a light on this because it's kind of dark in here. It's very tight, especially around the ass, but shoulder wise it feels great, and I fit in it pretty alright. I think I have it where I want it right now. I need to sit in it with my helmet on and make sure I fit up there still, because I do have it kind of high up, so I just want to be able to see when I'm looking, because the recliner, that bracket sits so low, but I can see so much more when I'm sitting in this right now. Here, let me actually get in and show you. Got the shirts tucked in, phone holder in here. I am squeezed in this fucking thing. Like, it's very tight, and it's gonna be perfect on track, but like getting to the track is gonna be kind of painful. We'll see. This whole car needs a detail because it's just been sitting in the garage. You can... Ugh. But it's time to get this fucking thing right. Drift event, less than a month. Gotta wait for those videos. Got the seat buckling, it's serious. Oh, I don't fit this thing. It's a little tight. It's got the... I wanted to make something in AI that was like the Bride hug monster, but it's like Grimace's face over it, and that's what this seat aura is. That's what it is.
This is the Grimace seat.
Stickers on the back of it?
Not for a while.
It's gotta like stay clean.
Yeah. It's silver carbon. I didn't pay for the silver carbon and put stickers on it, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. What's the ride height level? What's the difference between the old Bride seat and this seat, like ride height wise?
I'm definitely sitting probably an inch higher. I can see the hood, parts of the hood. I could not see any of that before.
Is your like shoulder kind of in line with the
What's weight drop below the fucking door?
Still?
My shoulder line's like above my window, but it used to be like right at level with my old seat. Now we're in the war rig, bro. This thing carried a 2JZ in it and a V8 in the back.
And LS.
So 2 motors or 3 motors?
2 motors. I think it was just the 2.
This thing towed 2 motors.
Support vehicle for the drift event.
Multi-support vehicle for the drift event. And now he's trading it? What?
Goodbye.
He's trading it, but you're trading it for a Honda Accord? What?
The Accord you've seen in this video.
Yeah, we've made a video on the car before of installing coilovers on it. It's a really decent rig, but you know, this thing's just like a War Pig daily that so's that Accord. A trade.
Sort of straight up 1-for-1 trade. It works out for both of us in our situations. He needs a truck because he's moving. I just moved, so I don't need it anymore. I just need a more comfortable daily.
Yeah.
So it works for both of us.
Also, there's a set of other make Ford rims. What's the make of the rims?
I think it's on the Fusion.
So
Fusion.
some Ford Fusion rims also getting tossed in the deal with the Ranger. Hopefully we'll be showing that car soon. There's like 5 excavators tearing this bridge down right now.
Damn! That's gotta be a fun ass job. Does this mirror not work? Does it adjust? No, it goes out, not down.
What the hell are we in right now?
New car, new car?
New car check? In the Accord on the way back?
The accordion?
Auto tragic, but it's just a better all-around daily for what he wanted, I guess. So we're here in the Hondeezy, spacious Hondeezy. I mean, Accord, most of them are like a 4-door, but this one is just a coupe. So it's got
the Accord, apparently.
It's got some like more rare oddities to it, but other than that, pretty simple car.